If you want to get best nail file, according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position we have Tweezerman Peace Neon Hot Nail Files. The Tweezerman Peace Neon Hot Nail Files are a must-have for anyone who loves keeping their nails looking neat and polished. These nail files are made of high-quality materials, making them durable and long-lasting. The bright neon colors are eye-catching and add a fun pop of color to your nail kit. What sets these nail files apart is their heat-activated abrasive surface. This means that when you use them, the friction from filing generates heat that softens the nails, making them easier to shape and file. It's a great feature that makes the process of filing your nails faster and more efficient. Another great feature of these nail files is their shape. They are slightly curved, which makes it easier to file your nails in a natural curve, rather than straight across. This helps to prevent nail breakage and promotes healthy nail growth. Overall, the Tweezerman Peace Neon Hot Nail Files are a fantastic investment for anyone who wants to keep their nails looking their best. They are easy to use, durable, and efficient, making them a great addition to any nail kit. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Compact Nail File by Revlon. The Compact Nail File by Revlon is a handy tool for those who want to maintain their nails on the go. The file comes in a small, compact size, making it easy to fit into your purse or pocket. Despite its small size, it is still a highly effective nail file that can quickly shape and smooth your nails. One of the most notable features of the compact nail file is its double-sided design. One side features a coarse grit that can easily file down the length of your nails, while the other side has a finer grit that smooths out any rough edges. This dual-sided design ensures that you have everything you need to create the perfect manicure, no matter where you are. The file itself is made of high-quality materials that are durable and long-lasting. It is easy to clean and can be used repeatedly without losing its effectiveness. The compact size makes it a great choice for travelers or anyone who needs a nail file on the go. Another great feature of the compact nail file is its affordability. It is a budget-friendly option that provides high-quality results without breaking the bank. Additionally, it is readily available at most drugstores and supermarkets, making it easy to find and purchase. Overall, the Compact Nail File by Revlon is an excellent tool for anyone who wants to keep their nails looking their best. It is a highly effective nail file that is easy to use, compact, and affordable. Whether you're at home or on the go, this nail file is sure to deliver the results you need to achieve the perfect manicure. The number 3 position is held by ForPro Files Foam Board Nail File. The ForPro Files Foam Board Nail File is a highly effective and versatile tool for maintaining and shaping your nails. The foam board material makes it gentle on your nails, while still being able to effectively file and shape them. The board is double-sided, with one side being coarse and the other side being fine, providing you with everything you need to achieve the perfect manicure. One of the standout features of the ForPro Files Foam Board Nail File is its durability. The foam material is long-lasting, and the file can be used multiple times without losing its effectiveness. This makes it a great investment for anyone who wants to maintain their nails regularly. Another great feature of this nail file is its ergonomic design. It is easy to grip and maneuver, making it comfortable to use for long periods. The shape of the file is also perfect for reaching the edges of your nails, ensuring that you can achieve a polished look from every angle. In addition to being a highly effective nail file, the ForPro Files Foam Board Nail File is also eco-friendly. The foam material is biodegradable and can be safely disposed of after use. This makes it a great choice for those who are environmentally conscious and want to reduce their carbon footprint. Overall, the ForPro Files Foam Board Nail File is a fantastic investment for anyone who wants to maintain healthy and polished nails. It is a durable, versatile, and eco-friendly tool that delivers high-quality results every time. Whether you're a professional nail technician or someone who wants to achieve salon-quality nails at home, this nail file is a great choice. Next at number 4 we have Nail Buffer by Revlon. The Nail Buffer by Revlon is a highly effective tool for achieving a shiny and polished look for your nails. The buffer has 4 different sides, each with a different grit level, providing you with everything you need to achieve a perfectly smooth and shiny finish. One of the standout features of the nail buffer by Revlon is its ease of use. The buffer is designed to be used in a simple, back-and-forth motion, allowing you to quickly and easily achieve a polished look. The buffer is also compact and easy to store, making it a great choice for those who want to maintain their nails regularly. Another great feature of this nail buffer is its durability. The buffer is made of high-quality materials that are built to last, ensuring that you can use it repeatedly without it losing its effectiveness. This makes it a great investment for those who want to achieve salon-quality nails at home. In addition to being a highly effective tool for achieving a polished look, the nail buffer by Revlon is also affordable. It is a budget-friendly option that provides high-quality results without breaking the bank. Additionally, it is readily available at most drugstores and supermarkets, making it easy to find and purchase. Overall, the nail buffer by Revlon is a fantastic investment for anyone who wants to achieve salon-quality nails at home. It is a durable, versatile, and affordable tool that delivers high-quality results every time. Whether you're a professional nail technician or someone who wants to maintain healthy and polished nails at home, this nail buffer is a great choice. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by trim nail files. Trim nail files are an affordable and effective tool for those who want to maintain healthy and polished nails. These nail files are made of high-quality materials that are durable and long-lasting, ensuring that you can use them repeatedly without losing their effectiveness. One of the standout features of trim nail files is their double-sided design. One side features a coarse grit that can easily file down the length of your nails, while the other side has a finer grit that smooths out any rough edges. This dual-sided design ensures that you have everything you need to create the perfect manicure, no matter what your nail needs are. Another great feature of these nail files is their affordability. They are a budget-friendly option that provides high-quality results without breaking the bank. Additionally, they are readily available at most drugstores and supermarkets, making them easy to find and purchase. In addition to being highly effective and affordable, trim nail files are also versatile. They come in a range of sizes and shapes, making them suitable for a variety of nail types and needs. Whether you're looking for a file to shape your natural nails or to maintain your artificial nails, trim nail files have you covered. Overall, trim nail files are an excellent tool for anyone who wants to keep their nails looking their best. They are highly effective, affordable, and versatile, making them a great choice for both professional nail technicians and those who want to maintain healthy and polished nails at home. Whether you're on the go or at home, trim nail files are sure to deliver the results you need to achieve the perfect manicure. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.